This program is made possible by Mr. and Mrs. Rex and Jessica Gonzaga.
Lay up your treasures in heaven, oh people, lay up your treasures in glory, where nothing in this world can take them away. Oh, listen, people, hear the Master say, come and lay up your treasures in heaven, oh people, lay up your treasures in glory. Your treasures in this world will fade away, but the things of the Lord will last forevermore.
Well, the Lord looked down and saw the people there, tied up with burden, loaded with care. He said, seek first the kingdom and you will see
The things that will last for eternity. Won't you lay up your treasures in heaven? People, lay up your treasures in glory, where nothing in this world can take them away. Oh, listen, people, hear the Master say, come and lay up your treasures in heaven. People, lay up your treasures in glory. Your treasures in this world will fade away, but the things of the Lord will last forevermore, forevermore.
Some people trust in silver and gold. They put their faith on the wealth they behold. But fortunes will fade and kingdoms fall.
So put your trust in the Lord of all. Won't you lay up your treasures in heaven? People, lay up your treasures in glory, where nothing in this world can take them away. Oh, listen, people, hear the Master say, come and lay up your treasures in heaven. People, lay up your treasures in glory. Your treasures in this world will fade away, but the things of the Lord will last forevermore, forevermore, forevermore,
Wow. Delightful, uplifting, and inspiring as always. Thank you, His Praises, for this wonderful song rendition. I would like to invite Mr. Nigel Solis. Please come on over here, Mr. Nigel. Wow, imo mga gipangtunan, mga estudyante. Dili ba sila lisod tuluan?
Oh, mga maayo ni sila.
Makita man. Thank you, Waitoy. Thank you. Sir, I believe, I understand na may concert later this afternoon. Asa Budapest, could you please invite our viewers?
Yes. We'll be at Seventh-day Adventist Church at Central, no? At Central Church at there's a North Central Conference. We will be having a concert at 3 o'clock. Of course, dito midaan mga
Last night?
karong Sabbath
morning.
school and
Okay.
yes, morning dito. So I'm inviting our friends here kananara diri. And of course, napod me appointment next week sa Ozami City and also in Western Mindanao Academy in Dumingag. We have been very busy lately having appointments. We sing sa mga school functions, also sa government functions.
Wow.
Yes, and we are also recognized by the choral organization here in the Philippines. And not only in the Philippines, but also the choral organization in Europe.
Wow. His
And-
Praises recognized not only in the
yes.
Philippines but also internationally.
Yes, and we have been invited also to sing in the European choir games. But I don't know if we can go.
Pagtungod din magpasalamat ko. Despite sa inyong busy nga schedule, nakakatagmog time sa Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we are happy to be back here and praise God. We hope we can sing for many people.
Of course. You're happy you're back. We're happier you are back. Thank you so much. Okay, greet sir. Wala na?
We would like to greet the Mindanao Mission Academy students and teachers.
Yes.
Of course, our friends are supporting us.
Again, thank you kayo. Thank you
Okay.
kayo. So sa laing bahin mga kapundag, mga kapaglaom, ang lubi o butong ato na siyang ginakaon, no? Pero wata kabalo sa ilang mga health nutrients nga atong makuha sa pagkaon niya na atong siron this time together with Miss Layla on Health Bits.